Sometimes you will want your web applications to run other programs on the web server. For example, you might want to run a PDF conversion program or a backup utility. In this lesson, you will learn how to run external programs from your ASP.NET web applications. To begin, open the .NET Expert project from your Sample Files folder. And open backup.aspx in Design View. When complete, this page will back up and restore the application's database. You will use an external program to do this. First, add a Click event handler to the Backup Database Now button. Now add a using line to the top of the page with the code using system.diagnostics. The classes that are needed to run external programs are held in the system.diagnostics namespace. Specifically, you are going to use the system.diagnostics.process class. Next, add the following code to the Button Backup Now Click event handler. String program path equals server.mappath /backupdatabase.bat. This code extracts the path to the program and places it in the program path variable. Server.mappath converts internal paths like /backupdatabase.bat into actual locations on the web server. In this case, the final path will be C practice ASP.NET 4.5 Expert, .NET Expert, .NET Expert, backupdatabase.bat. Now add the following code on the next line. Process.start program path. This simple code will run backupdatabase.bat whenever the button is clicked. Note that this will work with any kind of program, not just BAT files. Files that run programs on your computer are known as executable files. You can run any executable file using the same code as you've used in this lesson. Executable file types include .exe, .bat, .com, .cmd, .dll, .scr, and .reg. Next, return to backup.aspx in Design View. Now add a Click event handler to the Restore Database Now button and add code to the new event handler to run the Restore Database.bat program. That's string program path equals server.mappath /restoredatabase.bat process.start program path. Now test your code by viewing backup.aspx in your web browser. When the page loads, click Backup Database Now. Backupdatabase.bat is executed and appears on your screen. Note that you are seeing this because your own computer is acting as the web server. This would not appear to users browsing the site over the internet. You may find that the backup utility fails to copy the database and complains that the database is in use by another process. This may happen if you have not closed Visual Studio since working through Lesson 12.1. To fix the problem, simply close and reopen Visual Studio. Press any key now to close backupdatabase.bat and then use Windows Explorer to navigate to the .NET Expert folder in your Sample Files folder. Now open the second .NET Expert folder and open the Backups folder. You can see that a copy of the database has been placed in this folder by the backupdatabase.bat program. The restoredatabase.bat program simply copies the database back into its original location. Close your web browser now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 12.3. Run an external program.